What's up guys, in today's video we will be creating this kind of amazing frozen movie title design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. It means that you can change the text anytime you want. You can also do some more customization if you want to. By the way, you can download this project file from the link in the video description absolutely for free. So hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create a new document. As always, I'm going with the size of 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. For the background, let's drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download these kind of images from Envato Elements. They have 7D free trials, so if you want to check them out, click on the link in the video's description. Confirm it. Now create a curved adjustment layer on top of it and adjust the curves just like this to make the image darker. Now select this layer, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J and drag it to the top. Change its blend mode to multiply. It will make the image more darker, but we need the darkness only on the corners. So to remove the darkness from the center, let's create a layer mask on it. Take your brush tool, make sure your foreground color is black, and then dip on the center. Now select all of these layers and put them in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Rename it background. Also delete this layer because we don't need it anymore. Next, select the type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. By the way, you can download this font from the link in the video description. Confirm it and align it to the center. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool, right click and choose skew, and then distort it a little bit just like this. Also, let's move it a little bit to the top. By the way, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel yet. Anyways, now hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on this button to create a blank layer beneath the selected layer. Fill this layer with black color. Select both layers and convert them into a smart object so that we can work non-destructively. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool, rotate the text 90 degrees and resize it to fit it with the canvas. Now go to filter, pixelate and choose crystallize. The cell size is 10. Hit OK. Now again go to filter, stylize and choose wind. Method is wind and the direction is from the right. Hit OK. Again go to filter. This time you will find this effect on the top. This is because we used it recently. So click on it, hit OK to apply. Let's apply it once more by going to filter, wind and then hit OK. Now let's apply the crystallize effect once again. Go to filter, pixelate and choose crystallize. This time the cell size is 3. Hit OK. Now we just need the bright pixels. So to remove the dark pixels, right click on this layer and choose blending option. Hold Alt key on your keyboard and click on the slider to break it apart. And then move it all the way to the right side. It will hide the dark pixel. Hit OK. Now convert this layer into a smart object once again. Open the transform tool by pressing Ctrl T, rotate it back and scale it. Right click on this layer and go to blending option. In the layer style menu, click on color overlay. Pick a very bright bluish color. Click on inner glow. Let's pick a blue color. The blend mode is dissolve, opacity is 75, choke is 15, size is also 15 and the range is 90. Hit OK. Create new layer on top of everything and rename it snow. Now you need to download this snow from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Once you download it, unzip it and double click on it. Photoshop will automatically install it. Now all you need to do is to go to Windows and choose pattern. And there we have. Make sure this layer is selected and then click on the pattern to apply it on the selected layer. And now it is done. So if you want to change the text, double click on this layer, it will open another document. Now double click on this layer to open another document and here you can edit your text. Close this document when you are done. Now close this one and save it. And Photoshop will update everything in the main document. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.